Yeah, man.
Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you grilled vegetable sandwich. It's probably a new sandwich, but I'm sure people probably making it. Alright, so you're gonna need a couple slices of bread, mozzarella cheese or parmesan, any kind of cheddar cheese you like. Alright, the vegetable I'm using today is an onion, a tomato, paprika, sweet pepper, and cucumbers. Alright, so first, remove the stem of your paprika or your sweet pepper and remove all the seeds. Alright, next, cut the stem off the tomato. After that, do as you see me doing and kind of peel the cucumbers, leaving some of the skin on still. Alright, so once you do that, we're going to rinse our vegetable with salt water properly until it's clean. Alright, next, use your knife and slice your mozzarella cheese. So we're going to use slices. Alright, so that's what you want. Just put this aside for later. Alright, next, put to heat a skillet or frying pan pot. Put your stove's gauge on low, like almost off low, and allow it to get hot for between 3 minutes. Alright, so while we wait for the pot to get hot, or our homemade grill to get hot, you see the pot on the grill, the pot on the stove top is imitating a grill top. Sometimes I use a pizza tray, or you can use a baking tray. Alright, so now you take your paprika and dice it to strips, or slice it to strips, and do the same for the cucumbers as well for the tomatoes or the tomato. Alright, so at the end of the day, this is what you want. You want some sliced vegetables. Alright, so the pot is getting hot. It's been about between 3 minutes. The stove is on low, almost off low. You take 2 slices of bread and lay it on the surface of your grill. In my case, it's a frying pan or the skillet. Alright, so you take 2 slices of bread, put them together, and lay it on your grill top and allow. Alright, so between 2 minutes, you flip both breads. So one side of one bread is toasted, so the other slice of bread, you flip that on the heating grill to be toasted. Alright, you want to make sure that your bread is in the center of the flame. So if your pot or your skillet move, just make sure it's in the center of the flame. and the stove gauge is on low, almost off low, like this. Alright, between 2 minutes, take one slice of your bread and turn it on the non-grill side to the grill, on the grill, and place it on the grill. Alright, so next, lay cheese slices, or slices of cheese, about a couple slices or so, and then you lay sliced cucumbers on top of the cheese. And then next, you place or lay, make sure the stove gauge is on low, almost off low. If it's toasting too fast, turn it down some, and if it's toasting too slow, turn it up some. Alright, so you take your sliced cheese, mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, or cheddar cheese on a whole, and then you lay paprika, sweet pepper pieces on top. And then you put the sliced tomato on top of that and more cheese. So you just do as you see me doing. You get the idea. You just want to place the vegetable and the cheese combined together. And you do them in layers. Alright. So once you do that, the mozzarella cheese is fresh, so I just sprinkled a pinch of sea salt on top. It's optional, you don't have to do it. Alright, once you do that, you take the other slice of bread, toast side, and lay it on top your dressing. So the non-toast side should be facing up. And then you use a spatula and press your sandwich down somewhat and allow. Alright, after a minute between two, use a spatula, or you can use your hand because it's kind of free, it's not sticking, and flip your sandwich on the other side that's not toasted. And then use a spatula and press, holding your sandwich together, and allow. Remember now, like I said, keep your sandwich on the pot under the heat, right in the center of the heat. If it's grilled in too fast, it's gonna turn it down some. If it's taking forever, it's gonna turn it up some. But keep it in the low gauge, in the very low gauge. I call it very low gauge. Alright, so just allow. That's what your sandwich look like. Allow. Alright. Minute between two. More. Use a spatula and just press the sandwich. Alright, so this is what your grilled vegetable sandwich look like. Alright, so continue. Keep it on the grill. You kind of want the cheese to hold the sandwich together. That's the whole purpose. Look at that cheese melt. That's what you want. Alright, so just allow. Alright, so it's been about 3 minutes more. Just kind of take a sandwich and flip it on the other side. Just, just kind of play the flipping game. You hear that? That sounds like I'm cursing, but I didn't. I didn't curse. I said flipping. Alright. Just do that and allow. Alright, so now we're finished. Just turn your stove off. The sandwich took about average about 15 minutes to make. Just remove your sandwich and place it on a serving plate and slice it in half. Slice it in half. So this at the camera and slide off just now, to drop on the ground, imagine. Alright, so this is what a grilled vegetable cheese sandwich looks like. Alright, Miguel's grilled vegetable cheese sandwich. It might be new, I'm not sure. But this style. Alright, so here I am making all these sandwiches, grilled sandwiches and so forth. So I said, I need to make a vegetable sandwich. So this is my idea. Alright, so the sandwich tastes just like pizza. Surprisingly, it does. It's a-okay. I give this sandwich thumbs up. Thumbs up. I give it 5 thumbs up. 5-star sandwich. I can't believe this sandwich is so good. It tastes just like pizza. I don't know if it's a sweet pepper or what, but it's like a pizza. So guys, thumbs up. The sandwich tastes awesome. It's really, really nice. It's delicious. And I realize that you can put chicken strips in it, any kind of meat, and it would be a good thing. This would be a nice sandwich for delis. Just remember where you got the idea. Just remember where you got the idea. This grilled vegetable sandwich is delicious. It's really good. Visit JamaicaDinners.com for the recipe. Support, subscribe, and comment. The sandwich is good. And it's new. Remember where you first saw this idea. Until the next video. Bye. Until my next production. Bye.
Yeah, man!